Step into a piece of history and imagine what it could be. These original wood doors and stained glass are just waiting to welcome a new chapter. This is the perfect centerpiece for your vision of a workspace, event venue, or something entirely new. Spacious, versatile, and full of potential. A space like this is a rare find. Restore its charm, add your touch, and let it shine again. Located in the heart of downtown Delphi, it's the perfect location to bring people together. This historic gem is just waiting for your vision.